Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fable House. I'm Devina and today I'm going to be reviewing and summarizing Harry Potter series for all of you. Something to be noticed is that this video is going to be in two parts. The first one will have all the three books, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stones, Chambers of Secret and Prisoner of Azkaban in this one. And in the next or the part 2, I will have the rest 4 books reviewed as well as summarized. So without any further delay, let's get started on this one. Today I'm going to be talking about some really special books. This Harry Potter collection. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the first one, which is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Second, Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secret, and obviously the third one is the Prisoner of Azkaban. So before starting, let me tell you that this book set was initially rejected by the publisher 12 times before it got published in 1997. So J.K. Rowling is a great inspiration for all those who are aspiring to be writers or authors, and she inhabits this personality which reflects that never give up in life whatever happens. So it's a great one. So the first one in the collection is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It got published in 1997. And this part is all about a boy discovering that he is a wizard, going to a wizardry school, learning magic, learning all the activities which is done there, like broom riding and potions, dark arts, magic, herbology and all, and making some great friends and even making some enemies. The boy is Harry Potter, obviously. Then he has friends like Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, and then he discovered that his parents were murdered by an evil wizard, Voldemort, and nobody speaks his name. And then it's all about his journey in the first year of the school and eventually facing the man who killed his parents and defeating him, even though he is just 11 years old and he has just met the person who is feared by all. So great plot. I'll rate the plot 4.8. Then when it comes to the characterization, it is so on point and you have to rate it 5/5. I'm rating it definitely 5/5. Then the theme of adventure, friendship, value of friendship, then good versus evil, then exploring are all in this part. So for the theme I'll give 4. And this is a book which is very hard to put down. So very intriguing, very interesting, and the magic of this book never fades away. Great read for everyone. So definitely reviewing this book and rating it 4.5 out of 5. So that's it for this book. Let's move on to the next one, which is Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secret. So this is the second book, Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secret. So this book is all about, again, Harry going to the school, although he was being advised by an elf, Dobby, that don't go to the school. It is planned that you will be killed this year, but he still goes to the school. And again he learns some new arts and magic and all. And this time he is faced by another enemy, Voldemort, but in the form of a shadow or his memory. And then he made friends with Ron's sister Ginny Weasley. Then she's taken away to dungeon, she's in danger, then he saves her, and it's a bit interesting, but I don't like this part much, frankly, because I'm phobic to spiders and this book involves lots and lots of spiders. And this was an okay read for me. I don't enjoy this book as well as the movie, but a Harry Potter fan since childhood, so I'll rate this book 4. Because the plot is great. You will be intrigued by the plot, and everything happening is so interesting, and it is so full of suspense and drama and emotions. That emotion is the most important key element in all of the books. Emotions and feelings and friendship are all the main themes of the book, so it's a great read for everyone. And for the theme part, I'll also give it again 4. For the plot, I will give it 4. For the characterization, I will give again 5, because the characterization is done so onto the point. And then there is a comical element named Professor Gilderoy Lockhart to release the tension of the book. And it's a great read again. Who loves everything, who loves adventures. Not for me personally, but that's okay. So reading this book 4 by 5. So the last book I'm going to be discussing in the series is the Harry Potter and Prisoner of Azkaban. So this is one of the most favorite part of the series. In this part, Harry discovers that he has a godfather and he is a famed murderer, and then he also finds out that his parents were killed because his godfather revealed their abode or their hideout place. And in this book he is a little bit matured. He learns the magic which is impossible for a 13-year-old child to perform. And again, great story. In this book he discovers that one of his professors were great friends with his mother, and discovers some of the great memories from the past which is of his parents. He makes friends with his professor, which is Professor Lupin, and it's all about fantasy and fiction, magic, dark magic, value of friendship. And from the start, from the first book, the power of friendship is discussed thoroughly in this book. So it is great if you're a child, and if it is great even if you're an adult or even if you're older, because this book will teach you every time something new every time. That is the speciality of J.K. Rowling. So when it comes to rating this book, I will rate this book 4.5 again, because the plot is so intriguing. This book is full of adventure, mystery, drama, suspense, emotions again, and it is a fantasy novel but a great one. And then you will discover some great mischievous elements. Then you will discover some dark magic here, like dementors, and you will learn about the art of transformation, then tea leaves reading. Everything is great. Characterization is again great, and the ending is so melting. It is so emotional that it makes you fall in love with the book or the movie again and again. So I will rate this book again 4.5 out of 5. And this is a great book. This is a really great book. So 4.5 for this one, and lots and lots of love to Harry Potter series again. It is one of my favorite book series. So that's it in this video, guys. Keep watching my videos and telling me what you think about them. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to be reminded about the fresh contents that I post. And till then, keep reading and reviewing as well as learning. So see you again.